Hello and welcome to Aryabhata Ashram. This is a very meticulously designed daily answer writing practice for mathematics optional. This is very much aligned, structured and organized for your UPSC preparation for civil services mathematics optional. Not only it will bolster your confidence to practice question, it will bring regularity, it will bring a sense of discipline, it will bring you the direction in which the UPSC thinks, because this series picks up questions from UPSC previous year's questions particularly and primarily, and then we can go on with other aspects. This is something which will help you to nurture your skills, and repetitions and multiple iterations will hold you in good stead. So, let us look at this question. Dy by dx is equal to sine x plus y plus cos x plus y. This is asked in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2013. So, how to go about this differential equation? Well, we have to understand what kind of differential equation. Is it first order differential equation? If it is yes, then what we can look into the arguments. I have trigonometric functions, so the composition of sine and cos, but I also have an argument which is y, x plus y. So, I need to have a substitution which might render it into some format, and let us look. So, if I put x plus y is equal to t, differentiate it with respect to x. So, this is 1 plus dy by dx is equal to dt by dx. So, if I put dy by dx is equal to dt by dx minus 1. So, this is nothing but dt by dx is equal to 1 plus sin t plus cos t, and I can integrate it dt upon 1 plus cos t plus sin t is equal to dx. Now, such kind of integration we often come across in complex analysis when we are integrating a contour over 2 pi, that is over a unit circle. That is the standard format that you get, that is your, if you correlate 0 to say 2 pi d theta alpha plus beta cos theta plus gamma sin theta, and this is precisely 2 pi upon alpha square minus beta square minus gamma squared. So, until unless you do not interlink calculus with the calculus of variation, that is what we use in complex analysis, you will not be understanding a great deal. You will be doing it in silos. So, now we are particularly interested in an indefinite integral. So, there are many ways of doing it. So, one way is that I can substitute this 1 plus cos theta as 2 cos squared theta, and I can also substitute sin t as this. So, this is a 2 cos squared t by 2, sin t can be written as 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 is equal to dx. Now, I can take common here 2 cos square t by 2. So, this is 1, okay, plus tan t by 2, and that particularly solves my issue. So, I can write 1 by 2, this is your sec square t by 2 upon 1 plus tan t by 2 is equal to dx. So, if I just put 1 plus tan t by 2 as u, so this is nothing but half of sec square t by 2 dt is equal to du. So, this gives me du by u is equal to dx. So, this is nothing but log of 1 plus tan x t, which I can write x plus y by 2 is equal to some x plus c. So, this is my answer, log of 1 plus tan x plus 2 by 2 is equal to x plus c. Now, keep in mind there is no initial condition. So, I will have an arbitrary constant. So, this is a first order differential equation, and henceforth I have only one arbitrary constant. So, there are little notions of understanding the type of differential equation. You should easily pick it up first, whether it is a differential equation of first order and first degree. If it is not, whether it is a chloride format, if it is of a higher degree, is it equidimensional, so on and so forth. Is it Euler-Cauchy? So all these things you will be able to understand in one go when you have a panoramic or comprehensive 360-degree understanding, and not just merely solving it, but also having a wisdom and perspective on those questions and interlinkages with different modules. So I will be, because we have very paucity of time, so we are just going not in a great detail, because that is also important that we should adhere to the time limits. So this is the answer. Now some student might solve it in a different manner, that is they are always told an alternative perspective. So it is maths is pen and paper, it's pen up and pen down. So when you start solving a question, you pen it down, or when you say a punna viram, when you are stopping with the correct answer, and that's accuracy. So again, if I do this dt upon 1 plus cos t plus sin t is equal to dx. So this is nothing but integration. So I can use this formula, that is sin t. You see, I can write sin t as 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 upon 1. So 1 can be written as sin square t by 2 plus cos square t by 2. So if I divide numerator and denominator by cos square t, so this is your 2 tan t by 2 upon 1 plus tan square t by 2. Similarly, cos t can be written as what? Cos square t by 2 minus sin square t by 2 upon. So if you have forgotten formula, not an issue, I am just deriving it for you in very quick time. And if I multiply and divide by cos square t by 2, this is 1 minus tan square t by 2, 1 plus tan square t by 2. So it is time that I substitute this value. So in place of cos t, I put 1 minus tan square t by 2, 1 plus tan square t by 2 plus 2 tan t by 2, 1 plus tan square t by 2 into this integration dx. So this is nothing but sec square t by 2. Now you see here, this is 1 plus tan square t by 2, 1 minus tan square t by 2 plus 2 tan t by 2 dt is equal to dx. Now you see this and this get cancelled, and I have this as your 1 plus 2 tan t by 2 is equal to dx dt. So if I just put 1 plus 2 tan t by 2 is equal to u, so this is 2 by 2 sec square t by 2 dt is equal to du, and 2 get cancelled. So this is your du by u is equal to dx. So what do I have? I have log of 1 plus 2 times tan x plus y by 2 dt is equal to x plus c. Now solution of differential equation can be interconvertible. So once you are doing with this, you can always check your answers. So it is not merely 2 tan 2 by 2, but it's 1 plus 1 can be added. So you need to correct this 2. This is also 2. This is also 2. So if I put this 2 and what would be this? Okay, so this is 1 plus t. So my substitution has to be what? So I can always find out my errors very quickly if I have an answer verification tool. Are you getting my point? So I can write this as 1 by 2 1 plus tan t by 2 sec square t by 2 dt is equal to dx. So if I put 1 plus tan t by 2, so even if you make a very silly mistake, we can very well find out that mistake. Du by u is equal to dx, and that I have. So my point is very simple. In both the case, I got my answer as log 1 plus tan x plus 2 by 2 is equal to x plus c, and here also I found my answer as this log 1 plus tan x plus 2, x plus y by 2 is equal to x plus c. So no matter what method I have chosen, I have got that at the heart of my answer. So this is the technique that I teach you, answer verification technique, कि प्रश्न का जो उत्तर है वो आपका सटीक है, आप उसमें कैसे उसको पाते हैं. उसके लिए सबसे बड़ी बात क्या है कि यू मस्ट हैव क्यूरियोसिटी, you must have understanding of various tools and technique, you must have an aptitude and appetite for solving the question. So all of you, you are all dreaming to become civil servants, but merely dreaming is not enough. You have to work tirelessly, you have to burn midnight oil, but in a direction. The civil services is no more merely about hard work, it's also about the direction, in which direction which you are going, that will matter the most. This is the point, this is a simple point. I reiterate yourself that curiosity will not kill the cat here, but curiosity will really, in right direction, will make you the right choice for this examination. So you must have more aptitude and appetite, you must be more thirst for problem solving. So a cat who want to be a lion must lose appetite for the rats. तो अगर आप जंगल के शेर बनना चाहते हैं तो stop munching very substandard materials. There are certain things which is very sacrosanct and they are not very well known, but we try our best to give you what is over the years that I have poured into my wisdom, my understanding, my research, more than a decade. If it works out for you, we will be very heartily welcoming you to help you in this domain. तो जो लोग ऑनलाइन में कर रहे हैं दैट इज़ गुड. ऑनलाइन में आई एम ओनली एबल टू कम अप विद one question per day because of the technical and the paucity of human resource at our disposal. But yes, in our offline center we are providing you 5 questions per day between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. You can come and join and sit and practice these questions with us and gain out of it to the best of your interest. And if you want, you can visit our website aryabhataashram.com. आप हमारे सेंटर पे आ सकते हैं जो कि 47 ग्राउंड फ्लोर बत्रा मेडिकल ओल्ड राजेंद्र नगर नई दिल्ली में है. इसके साथ साथ अगर आप हमसे जुड़ना चाहते हैं तो दिए हुए नंबर पे आप कंसल्ट कर सकते हैं और हमें ईमेल भी कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.